If you love buffalo wings and mac and cheese, you're going to love this recipe, which is a combination of both. Hey guys, this is Mara, and if this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out any other delicious recipes like this one. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is cook the pasta. Simply add water to a big pot, add lots of salt, and let it boil. I always suggest you follow the instructions on the box of the pasta. Manufacturers know best what time to cook your pasta to ensure it's being cooked properly. Once water has boiled, add the pasta. I'm using elbows, but you can use the shape of your preference. Stir very well so the pasta does not stick to each other, and cooked until al dente. Once you bite into your pasta and it's fully cooked, remove from the water. Add plenty of ice so macaroni cools faster and stops the carryover cooking. Set them aside and start preparing the chicken. Place the chicken breast in a large pot and add cold or lukewarm water. Cooked over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Once your water starts turning white with all those floating things around your chicken, remove the pot from the stove, dump the water, and rinse off until your water looks clear. Bring the chicken back, add boiling water, and let the chicken cook completely, this time with flavor. Add the salt, a few bay leaves, black pepper, and 2 crushed fresh garlic cloves. Cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or until chicken is fully cooked. Remove from the heat and place it in a large bowl. Separate the chicken with the help of 2 forks. It is easier to do it while the chicken is still hot. But remember, you can make this recipe with leftover chicken and it will still be delicious. Set aside. We're going to work on the sauce. In a large pan and at a medium temperature, add the butter. Let it melt, making sure not to burn it. And once melted, add the flour. Cook this mixture, which is called roux, for 2 to 3 minutes in order to eliminate or get rid of that raw flavor that the flour has. Once cooked, add, I would say, about 1/4 of the milk. Stir to incorporate, and once it's combined, add more milk to the pan. It is best to make your bechamel sauce with hot milk. This will reduce the risk of our mixture clumping. But the truth is, I always add it cold, and it has always worked for me. Just knowing that I have to keep constantly stirring until my sauce is creamy makes it easier for me to make the decision of adding the milk cold. But there you go, it's your decision now. See, I told you it was going to work. Add more milk and repeat until your sauce is delicious as mine. It is time to add the rest of the ingredients. Start with the cheddar cheese first to make sure it melts properly. Because once it has melted, you need to turn off the stove and keep adding the remaining ingredients. We're going to finish cooking this sauce with the carryover heat left. Then add the buffalo sauce. By the way, you will be able to find other sauces in the video description box in case you don't like the buffalo sauce, but you still want your mac and cheese to be spicy. Then add the paprika, the powdered yellow mustard, black pepper, and garlic powder. Continue stirring. Once everything is mixed, add the sour cream, which could be substituted with cream cheese, and look at that awesome color. Keep stirring until you have a very creamy sauce. Remember to adjust flavors, add more salt, paprika, etc., etc. Once your sauce is ready, we're going to put it together with the rest of the recipe. Bring the chicken, add the pasta, then add the sauce. I have only added half of my sauce first, so I could stir it well and also see if my pasta needed more, because this will vary from you and from me. Some people like their mac and cheese very dry, which I'm cool with, but I like mine creamy. So I will add more sauce until I reach the desired consistency. Once it's looking good, according to you, add the chopped celery. I love the combination of the celery because I feel like I'm sitting at a bar eating some buffalo wings with celery and carrots, but in the comfort of my own house. I did not add carrots to this recipe, but you can do it if you want to. I'm going to repeat with the celery because I really love it, but remember, it is up to you. And once our buffalo chicken mac and cheese is ready, place it in a Pyrex and spread it all until even. To finish our delicious dish, we're going to add a layer of breadcrumbs on top, simulating the breading they use to fry our buffalo wings. It will add that extra crunchiness we're looking for. Combine melted butter with the breadcrumbs of preference. I am using panko, but remember to use whatever is available to you. Stir very well until combined and then place it on top of our macaroni and cheese. In my case, I add it all because I really love how crispy this is. Once it's ready, take it to the oven and bake at 350 Fahrenheit degrees for about 25 minutes. Then select the broil option on your oven and bake it for an additional 3 to 4 minutes or until your breadcrumbs are toasted and golden brown. Sprinkle some chives and hot sauce on top and get ready to enjoy this deliciousness. If you're obsessed with the buffalo chicken flavor in combination with any other recipes like I am, leave in the comments any other recipe that you'd like to see in this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.